Grocery prices are out of control right now, and honestly, it feels impossible to keep up. But what if I told you there were 52 places practically begging to give you free stuff, and most people walk right past them every single day? I learned this years ago when my husband's aunt worked in a hospital gift shop. I stopped in to say hi and saw a cart piled with brand new seasonal decorations headed for the trash. I asked about it, and the manager said, "Hey, take whatever you want." That moment made me realize these hidden freebies are everywhere if you just know where to look. But the surprising part is this: most of them have nothing to do with thrift stores or Facebook groups. So today we're walking through 52 unexpected sources for free stuff. I'll explain how each one works and why they give things away and how you can politely take advantage of these opportunities. Hello, my friend. If you're new here, my name is Sarah. I'm the owner of FrozenPennies.com. I'm the financial coach and the author of the international best-selling book, Fundamentally Frugal. Link below. And please share any of your ideas in the comments. We can all learn from each other. There are also a lot of these, so we're going to move fast. Have your pause button ready to take notes. And then we'll finish strong with my most surprising finds, places that I had no idea we could get free stuff from. Let's start with healthcare and wellness. Hospital gift shops will often rotate out seasonal merchandise and discontinued items, like my husband's aunt told me about. If you ask, managers will sometimes give these away instead of donating them or throwing them out. And here's the fun tip: many hospitals also give away flowers from patient rooms at the end of the day because they can't keep them overnight. Number 2, pharmacies. Pharmacies are constantly sent promotional items and healthcare-related samples from pharmaceutical companies. Things like pill organizers, blood pressure cuffs, or even health monitoring tools are sometimes stocked for patient education. Your pharmacy may be more than happy to share those if you ask during a quieter time of the day. Number 3, medical offices. Doctors receive boxes of samples and educational pamphlets that often go unused. If you have a regular appointment, ask whether they have anything related to your health needs. They'd rather give them to patients than let them expire on a shelf. Please know that not all of these that we're talking about today are physical freebies, but the information available are all great resources. Number 4, physical therapy clinics. Therapy clinics get promotional gear like resistant bands and foam rollers from equipment suppliers. While not every clinic will hand these out, many are glad to share extras with patients or even curious community members. It's one of those hidden gems that people rarely think to ask about. Number 5, veterinary offices. Vet clinics are a jackpot if you have pets. Pet food companies send them samples, feeding guides, a little freebie to encourage customers to try new products. Even if you are not a regular client, many clinics will share educational pamphlets or samples. Number 6, dental offices. We all know about the toothbrush and floss bag, but dental offices usually have more. Travel-sized toothpaste, mouthwash, or even educational material are often stocked in bulk. Ask politely, and you'll likely walk away with a few extra goodies in your bathroom drawer. Number 7, optometry offices. Eye doctors often receive lens cloths, protective cases, and screen protecting guides. They may also have surplus educational material about eye strain or computer use. These small but handy items can easily save you a purchase. Now let's talk about educational institutions. Number 8, university student services. Universities are loaded with resources beyond just their students. Career centers, health services, and student unions often stock supplies, promotional items, or educational booklets that sometimes end up available to the public. Now, if you live near a campus, it's worth asking about what's open to the community. Also, driving around after students have left for the semester might turn up some real treasures. Rugs, furniture, small appliances all tend to get thrown out or put next to the dumpster when students cannot fit them in their car to take home. I know people who live in college towns that pick up this stuff and then sell it on the marketplace for extra money. Number 9, community college continuing education. Adult learning centers and community colleges regularly host free or low-cost workshops. These often come with handouts, workbooks, or even supplies that you can take home. It's a simple way to learn something new while saving money on materials. Number 10, school district administrative offices. Your local district offices may have stacks of unused supplies and surplus educational materials. Old textbooks, workbooks, or art supplies are often given away instead of being stored. Calling ahead and asking what they have available can lead to surprising finds. Number 11, university libraries. College libraries sometimes hold book cleanouts to make room for new materials. You can score free or deeply discounted books, but they also offer free access to databases, workshops, and research help. Don't be afraid to ask if community members are welcome. Number 12, trade schools. Vocational programs from culinary to auto repair often have leftover supplies for training courses. For example, cooking schools may share extra cookbooks, while auto programs sometimes give away manuals. Building a relationship with staff can make it easier to access these opportunities. Number 13, museum education departments. Museums create packets, activities, and games for school groups. When they have extras, they often give them away instead of recycling them. It's a fun way to bring history or science learning into your home for free. Retail and business establishments. Number 14, grand opening events. When a new business opens, free swag is part of the strategy to bring people in. Items like reusable bags, mugs, or samples are often common. Keep an eye on local event calendars and social media so you don't miss these giveaways. Number 15, car dealerships. Auto dealers often love to hand out promotional gear from manufacturers. Think keychains, emergency kits, or branded accessories that cost you nothing. Stopping by during a slow weekday is your best chance to walk away with freebies. Number 16, real estate offices. Realtors are stocked with boxes, moving kits, and neighborhood guides for new clients. Often, they're happy to share extras if you ask. It's a smart way to save money during your next move. Number 17, insurance agencies. Insurance companies are famous for safety-related giveaways. Flashlights, first aid kits, and home safety checklists often sit in drawers waiting for someone to take them. If you stop by your local agent, don't hesitate to ask if they have anything available. Number 18, bank customer service. Banks frequently hand out financial planning guides, calendars, and promotional pens. If you stop in during quiet hours, you may find more resources available. It's one of those overlooked sources of freebies hiding in plain sight. You should never, ever, ever have to buy a pen. Number 19, corporate offices. Big companies often have lobbies filled with branded brochures and items. They want visitors to walk away with material, so many of these are free to take. If you're there for business, keep an eye out. 20, hotel lobbies. Hotels stock maps, guides, and brochures for guests, but locals are often welcome to take them too. Some business centers even have basic supplies like paper or pens available. It's a small but handy freebie most people don't think about. 21, furniture stores. Furniture shops receive endless fabric samples and display pieces. When styles change, they often toss or give away those extras. These little pieces can be perfect for home projects or crafts. And if you love finding free resources, don't miss my free budget planner. It'll help you keep track of all the money you're saving. I'll leave a link below. Government and municipal sources. Number 22, City Hall information decks. Most city halls have racks of free material about community programs and upcoming events. Many also include emergency preparedness guides. Next time you're there, check the lobby before you leave. Number 23, courthouse public information. Courthouses often distribute free self-help legal guides and educational pamphlets. These resources are meant for the public and save you money on basic legal information. It's definitely an underused but valuable spot to grab free help. Number 24, DMV offices. The DMV isn't just for waiting lines. They stock safety campaign freebies like stickers, organ donation information, and driving guides. It's worth a quick scan of the counter while you're there. Number 25, fire department community relations. Fire stations actively distribute free safety resources. Think emergency plan templates, smoke alarm guides, or even child safety kits. They're always eager to help families prepare. Number 26, police department community services. Local police stations keep brochures on crime prevention and community programs. Some even hand out safety whistles, stickers for kids, or neighborhood watch materials. These are meant to strengthen community ties, so take advantage. Number 27, public utility offices. Utility companies often run energy conservation campaigns. You might walk away with free shower heads, light bulbs, or weather stripping kits. It's a smart way to lower bills while saving on supplies. Quick story, when we first moved into our house, our electric company offered a home energy audit. They came in and tested the appliance. When they tested our spare freezer in the basement, they found it was not energy efficient. So they offered to replace it with a brand new freezer. I'm 100% serious here. Totally free. The only stipulation was that they had to remove the old one for recycling. They also gave us a box of weather stripping, light bulbs, and other goodies. This service still exists if you look at your local utility company's website. Number 28, social service offices. Even if you're not applying for benefits, social service departments provide resource guides and educational pamphlets. These help connect you to local programs and services. Sometimes the information itself is the most valuable freebie. Let's talk about digital and online sources. Number 29, corporate sample programs. Major brands love to test products through free sample programs. Signing up for newsletters often alert you to these opportunities. It's a quick way to try new products at no cost. Number 30, beta testing opportunities. App developers and software companies and small businesses need testers. In exchange for your feedback, they'll often give free access to premium features. This is especially useful if you like tech and don't mind being an early adopter. Number 31, survey reward programs. Market research companies often pay or give products in exchange for your opinion. Participating in surveys can add up to free items, even gift cards. Stick with established firms to avoid scams. Number 32, manufacturer websites. Many companies have entire sections for user guides, educational material, or promotional offers. These are free to download and sometimes mailed directly to you. It's worth checking before you buy something you might find for free. Number 33, professional association resources. Professional groups often share toolkits, guides, and materials for both members and the public. These are especially helpful if you're building skills or advancing your career. A little digging can reveal some great free finds. Number 34, government agency websites. From financial planning to health, government sites are loaded with free resources. Downloadable workbooks, career tools, and safety guides are also available. And the best part, it's all legitimate and trustworthy. Number 35, educational platforms, free courses. Online learning sites often release free courses or trial access. These come with downloadable workbooks, guides, and even certificates. It's a no-cost way to learn new skills. Community and seasonal sources. 36, farmers markets. At the end of the day, vendors often give away leftover produce rather than hauling it home. Free samples are also common if you strike up a conversation. Building relationships with vendors can turn into real freebies. Number 37, community centers. Your local community center probably hosts classes and workshops. Many of these include free supplies or handouts. It's worth checking their event calendar regularly. Number 36, religious organizations. Churches, mosques, and synagogues often run community programs. Free food pantries, clothing, and educational resources are often available to anyone who asks. They're one of the most consistent sources of support. 39, senior centers. Even if you are not a senior, community centers for older adults often share wellness resources. Health brochures, activity kits, and sometimes even free events are available. These centers exist to serve the community. Number 40, neighborhood moving sales. Garage sales leftovers often end up at free at the end of the day. Sellers would rather give things away than haul them back inside or throw them in the dump. Arrive late, ask politely, and you might walk away with treasures. 41, apartment complex offices. Leasing offices often have leftover moving supplies, brochures, or promotional items. They may even hand out local guides to prospective tenants. If you live nearby, it's worth asking. Number 42, community gardens. Gardens are great for more than vegetables. They often share extra seeds, starter plants, or gardening guides. Many also host workshops where supplies are included. Professional services and trades. Number 43, CPA offices during tax season. Accountants stock up and educate resources during tax season. Many of these are free to clients and sometimes to anyone who asks. Picking up one can save you money on paid materials. Number 44, legal aid organizations. Legal aid groups exist to help those who need support. They hand out free legal guides and self-help packets. Even if you don't qualify for full services, the resources are often available. Number 45, construction company offices. Builders often have extra safety guides or surplus materials. Instead of storing them, many are happy to share with potential customers. It never hurts to ask if they have leftover supplies. Number 46, landscaping businesses. Garden centers and landscapers frequently have extra plants or guides. When seasons change, those extras often go unused. A polite request can lead to free greenery for your yard. 47. Home improvement stores. Stores like Lowe's and Home Depot run free DIY workshops. Participants usually walk away with materials or tools at no cost. They may also give away damaged packaging items instead of tossing them. Now, my friend Becky would get her Christmas tree at Home Depot, and they always had branches cut from the trees in a barrel. She would snag those for free to decorate her mantle. 48. Pet grooming salons. Grooming businesses often get free samples from pet product companies. Shampoos, treats, or guides are often stocked in the back. Ask nicely, and they usually share. Number 49, printing shops. Print shops sometimes have paper samples or surplus materials. Instead of letting them go to waste, they're happy to pass them on. These can be especially useful for craft projects. Number 50, event planning companies. Planners frequently end up with leftover decorations or supplies after weddings and parties. They'd rather give them away than store them. If you are creative, these extras can be repurposed beautifully. 51. Photography studios. Studios occasionally clear out old backdrops, props, and equipment. They often donate or give these away to aspiring photographers. It's a great way to get free creative materials if you're interested in learning photography. Number 52. Technology repair shops. Phone and computer shops collect accessories and spare parts for repairs. They also stock educational guides or tutorials for customers. Many are willing to share these if you just ask. The trick to making most of these opportunities is timing and approach. Visit during slower hours, always ask politely, and build relationships with staff. And most importantly, only take what you truly need so your free finds actually save you money. These 52 sources prove that free resources are everywhere once you know where to look. Start with just a few near your home and you'll quickly be amazed at how quickly the savings add up. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and watch this video next.